Hey everyone, my name is Ryan, and I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep, and it is Release Friday. Let's dig in to see what's new, what's been released this week.
Hey everyone, my name is Spencer. I'm a product manager at UpKeep, and I am excited to be here with you.
All right, thank you, Spencer. This week's release focused on improving navigation accessibility, our purchase order module, and also our parts management in our web application. So here's what's new. First up, we save your place now in list when you navigate away and return. This means no more losing your spot when you're scrolling from the beginning, saving you time and frustration. Additionally, as you scroll through the list, new records are preloaded, ensuring that the next batch is ready when you are. On top of that, we made some big improvements on our purchase order module. You can actually start to duplicate purchase orders with ease. So you eliminate the need to build them from scratch, which actually makes reordering a much more seamless part of your workflow. On top of that, you can also create purchase orders from sets of parts. This means you can make purchases of larger groups of parts faster than ever before. And then last up, we also updated our import-export so you can actually see max quantities and criticality of every single part. So that means less time spent on manual updates, much more time spent on strategic decisions. So enough of me talking. I'm going to pass the baton over to Spencer from our team to show you exactly what it looks like in UpKeep.
Thanks, Ryan. Excuse me. All right, here I am in the parts list of UpKeep, and you'll notice that as I start to scroll down the list, I'm not going to hit that loading spinner. As I scroll, records are just automatically loaded, and I can keep scrolling seamlessly. Additionally, as I scroll down here, you'll see that I'm up to maybe 150 records of 223. And if I click in here to part 163, maybe make an edit, go back to the list, I'm right where I left off. I don't have to scroll back down and find my spot again. I can just kind of keep working down the list, clicking into parts and making edits. Over here in the purchase order model, now I can click into any purchase order and say maybe I have a set of parts that I want to order on a monthly cadence. I ordered it in February. Now I just need that same order here again in March. I can come into the purchase order, update the title. If I need to update quantities or anything like that, I can do that. And then I can create that purchase order and I'm off to the races. Another way you might want to create purchase orders for a group of parts is by coming over to the set list here in UpKeep. Same deal. Maybe I have a set of parts that I want to order every month. Rather than have to build that purchase order each time, I can just take this monthly reorder, create a purchase order, give it a title, and again, I'm off to the races. Last but certainly not least, we recently introduced into UpKeep max quantities and criticalities on parts. Now you can import and export that data. So whether you're doing that in a CSV or if you want to do a manual import, now you'll see the ability to set a maximum quantity, to mark something and upload all of that data at once as opposed to manually doing it per part. When you export your parts, you'll also see that data included in those very same columns. All right, that's all I got.
All right, thank you so much, Spencer. We've been hard at work, excited to see and hear what you all think. So go into UpKeep, check it out. Let us know what you think. Give us feedback. We are constantly improving UpKeep, as you can see, every single week. My email is ryan@upkeep.com. I do my best to try to respond to every single customer response that I get. So thank you to all of our customers. Thank you to our entire UpKeep team. We've got even more releases in our pipeline, and I'm excited to see you all next Friday. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.